At Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration, we understand the urgency of water damage restoration in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. Our dedicated team is here to provide you with prompt and reliable service. We are available 24/7. With years of experience in Bucks County, we've earned the trust of the community. Our experts are equipped with the latest technology to handle any water damage situation. We take pride in our quick response time, arriving at your location swiftly. Our goal is to minimize damage and restore your property to its pre-damage condition. Water damage can be devastating, but we're here to help you through the process. Our team will work tirelessly to ensure your home or business is safe and dry. Count on us for thorough water extraction, drying, and mold remediation. We're dedicated to bringing peace of mind to Bucks County residents. When disaster strikes, call us at 609-669-2155 for immediate assistance. Visit our website at restoration-specialist.com/areas-served/bucks-county-pa to learn more about our services. For the best water damage restoration in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, choose Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration. Restoration Specialists, Water Damage Restoration. We're here to support you every step of the way. Your satisfaction is our priority.